Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter Ecoboost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, got that tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors. Moving to the front, we do have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice gray cloth interior. You got 2 cup holders right there, a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120 just right there. And we do have plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake, lights, blind spot and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.7 kilometers. We have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control settings right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, trip and fuel, off-road, gauges, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you got a fair bit of storage with cup holders, storage right there. You do get storage underneath as well. Storage, USB and USB-C, leather wrap center console with a ton of storage with 2 USB-Cs down there. You have your drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats plus dual climate, 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there as well as right there. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. We do get BLUECRUISE with this vehicle as well. Storage above. We do got a nice rear window opener as well. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, your navigation, of course, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. Apps are general, and any apps you've downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD96530, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.